Virginia Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 6.
Question 1. The best lane position for being seen
is the right lane position, is the left lane position, is the center lane position. Changes depending on the situation.
Answer.
Changes depending on the situation.
Question 2. While riding a motorcycle, you are considered legally intoxicated if
you have had at least one drink. If you had one drink and are over the age of 21, you have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.05% or more. You have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or more.
Answer.
You have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or more.
Question 3. If you are a beginner rider, you should ride no more than hours per day.
6, 2, 4, 8.
Answer.
6.
Question 4. When should you take your feet off the foot pedals and skim them on the surface of the road?
When riding on metal grating. When crossing rail tracks. When riding on ice. When riding in a parking lot.
Answer.
When riding on ice.
Question 5. Head checks while riding motorcycles
should be performed before changing lanes. Only need to be done when preparing a left turn. Are not required because motorcycles do not have blind spots. Only need to be done at night.
Answer.
Should be performed before changing lanes.
Question 6. Which of the following should not be done at night?
Use your high beam. Increase your riding speed. Increase your following distance. Adjust your lane position when necessary.
Answer.
Increase your riding speed.
Question 7. When approaching a blind intersection with a stop line, you should stop first.
Behind the stop line. With your rear tire on the stop line. Straddling the stop line. Where you can see both ways.
Answer.
Behind the stop line.
Question 8. When stopping in a curve, what should you do?
Lean over as much as possible. Try to get the motorcycle perpendicular to the road. Increase your speed before stopping. Grab the rear brake only.
Answer.
Try to get the motorcycle perpendicular to the road.
Question 9. What type of group formation should be used when riding through curves?
Single file. V-shaped formation. In pairs. Staggered formation.
Answer.
Single file.
Question 10. Rolling under throttle through a turn wheel.
Help stabilize the motorcycle. Cause the motorcycle to tip over. cause the motorcycle to skid. Help the motorcycle stop.
Answer.
Help stabilize the motorcycle.
Question 11. If your motorcycle was made before 1978, you must remember to
only ride during the day. Avoid carrying passengers. Get a special license. Turn the headlight on when riding at all times.
Answer.
Turn the headlight on when riding at all times.
Question 12. As a motorcycle driver, you can use your feet to maintain balance by
skimming them above the ground, holding them away from the motorcycle, pointing your toes downwards, keeping them on the footrests.
Answer.
Keeping them on the footrests.
Question 13. If you wish to stop your motorcycle quickly, you must apply. To do so safely,
both brakes at the same time. The rear brake. The front brake. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Both brakes at the same time.
Question 14. To help maintain balance during a turn, you should
drag your outside foot for support. Maintain or increase your speed. Decrease or maintain your speed. Drag your inside foot for support.
Answer.
Maintain or increase your speed.
Question 15. Riding between rows of stopped vehicles is
not permitted when riding in a group. Never permitted. Permitted during heavy traffic. Permitted only in designated areas.
Answer.
Never permitted.
Question 16. Which of the following is important for riding safely on slippery surfaces?
Avoid sudden moves. Hold in the clutch. Lean back. Maintain or increase your speed.
Answer.
Avoid sudden moves.
Question 17. When it comes to other drivers, eye contact
ensures they will stop and let you through. Should be avoided to discourage aggression. Should be made before crossing every intersection. Is not a guarantee they will yield to you.
Answer.
Is not a guarantee they will yield to you.
Question 18. When passing heavy vehicles, it is important to avoid
slowing down suddenly when you merge back in front of the vehicle. Beeping your horn when alongside the vehicle. Passing without a dedicated passing lane. Flashing your headlights.
Answer.
Slowing down suddenly when you merge back in front of the vehicle.
Question 19. To increase your chances of being seen by another vehicle,
drive in areas where there are lots of motorcycles. Drive only during the day. Avoid driving in heavy traffic. Wear reflective clothing.
Answer.
Wear reflective clothing.
Question 20. What is the best way to identify bumps in the road when driving at night?
Use the lights of the car ahead of you. Use your high beam. Scan the road often. Only drive where there are street lights.
Answer.
Use the lights of the car ahead of you.
Question 21. Increase your visibility at an intersection by
coming to a complete stop, riding in the staggered formation, looking in your mirrors, choosing the most visible lane position.
Answer.
Choosing the most visible lane position.
Question 22. To avoid lurching while downshifting, what should you do?
Only downshift if you are an experienced rider. Never shift below second gear. Make sure the motorcycle is traveling slow enough for the gear. Brake while shifting.
Answer.
Make sure the motorcycle is traveling slow enough for the gear.
Question 23. When driving through a turn, your lane position should
change to give you the best view. Stay as close to the end of the road as possible. Stay as close to the center line as possible. Be in the center of the lane.
Answer.
Change to give you the best view.
Question 24. The majority of motorcycle crashes occur
on hills, at high speeds, at low speeds, in curves.
Answer.
At low speeds.
Question 25. Alcohol affects the body in many different ways, but the first effect is here.
Judgment, vision, balance, reaction.
Answer.
Judgment. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.